Okay guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to talk about your iPhone screen going dark and black too fast if you don't touch it. So my iPhone, and I suspect that yours as well, will go black if you don't touch it for at least 30 seconds. 30 seconds and it goes black. It will not wait for 30 seconds, but if it's too fast for you and you want to prolong this period or to make it to never go black, well, what you need to do is to find the settings of your iPhone. You need to tap on it once. Now here you want to scroll slightly down until you find this display and brightness tab. You want to tap on it just like so. And now here you have many different settings related to your display and brightness of your iPhone. And here you want to also scroll down to find this auto lock. So we need to tap on it, and here you can choose 30 seconds, 1 minute, or you can even choose never. If you choose never, your iPhone will never go black until you lock it manually. I just find it a bit excessive, so if you want to prolong it for longer, just choose 5 minutes or so. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.